Everyone, David Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're just doing a quick video because we just got done painting this kitchen cabinet, and the customer was kind of up in the air as far as, you know, cost to replace versus cost to paint. So this kitchen was almost $4,000 for painting everything. To replace this same kitchen, they were gonna keep the countertops. They weren't gonna replace much, but to replace everything had to come out. And then when coming out, there was gonna be damage to the walls. They had issues with the floor. So they had some extenuating circumstances, but just in general, if they had to replace the cabinets, same layout, just new. So it was a white painted shaker style cabinet, door and drawer. It was right around $27,000. And that didn't include incidentals of if there's damage to the wall, when those cabinets come out, where that tile goes, is it gonna match? How's it gonna match the soffit? The same size, there was issues with same sizing on some of these, so they had some issues with that too. But we weren't even a quarter of what it cost to replace a kitchen cabinet. And we've always maintained that if we're gonna tell you the cabinets are $4,000 to get painted, you can figure 18 to 22 is gonna be what it costs to replace them. So it kind of gives you an idea of what you're getting for your dollar. You know, if the cabinets are in bad shape, then you know you might not have a choice. If you just want new doors, the other option is we can replace doors. So we have a manufacturer in Wisconsin. They're Amish, they're awesome. Solid wood doors. They'll come with pocket hinges, soft closes, and you can replace just the door fronts if the doors are in really bad shape. And it'll give you new drawer fronts as well. And so that's another option you can do. And then finally, the full-blown replacement. So a couple different options you can think of when it comes to remodeling your kitchen, ways we can help you save from a full-blown replacement. If you have other questions about kitchen cabinet painting, painting in general, wallpaper, give us a call to DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in. God bless and have a good day.